do, baby.
Is that your new catchphrase?
Have you not seen it on Twitter?
Yeah, your bio. Pink drink gang, pink crack, Mayan. Anyways, what's up guys? It is Marina and I'm here with
Me, Diego.
the boyfriend. Today,
In 700 feet, turn left onto Southeastern Avenue.
interrupt me. Today, I'm super excited because it's the start of our moving out, moving in, moving to a new apartment series.
Turn left onto Southeastern Avenue.
Siri. Oh yeah, yes, our Siri is British, by the way. Love Island. We're about to move in like 8 days, so we're gonna get
Turn right onto East Harmon Avenue.
We're gonna get a head start on packing because we have a lot to pack.
Too much.
Mostly clothes is a lot. We just have a bunch of little things.
Your clothes.
Oh, and all of my makeup. Like, we just have a bunch of little things. So we're about to go to Home Depot and buy some boxes.
People of home.
I'm so excited. And don't worry, we're gonna be vlogging the entire process because I was dumb and I didn't do this the last time we moved into my very
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
We're here at the Depot of Home.
Home Depot. The Depot of Homes.
Oh wait, no wait. Get like I want a thumbnail actually.
She wasn't purpose.
Home Depot. Oh my god, my track's in the back. There's baskets.
Why do we need baskets? We're just putting up boxes.
Yeah, but like we're
They're
getting a lot.
flattened.
We're getting a lot of boxes.
Flattened, baby.
You carrying it? Thanks. Thank you.
I think we're supposed to turn left anyway.
I know we were, but I didn't want to get in their way. I can't wait. Like one day, we're gonna have a house together. We're gonna do all this stuff. Ooh, toilets. Oh my god, they're only $89.
Yeah.
Toilets are only $89. Dude, how did I not know that? Look at all the tiles.
Moving.
Where's the boxes? Oh, right here.
These are the boxes.
It's like a whole thing. Oh no, I thought it was like a whole box of boxes. Look at this nice array of carpets. I love like every time I film people watch. I don't know what to do with myself because I'm all alone. Hey. Diego went to go get a cart because I told him we were gonna need a cart. I hear him. Oh, I was right. Enter frame. Got the cart. 10 medium boxes. And I think we should get at least like 3 large boxes. I have so much makeup. Makeup collection storage video coming soon. We got 15 boxes. Wait, we left our Starbucks cup. Is it in the cart? Did someone take my Starbucks cup? Nobody walks by.
Paper. I am rocking it.
Okay.
Excuse me, guys.
There's a guy in the car right behind us. He's just smiling.
We got the boxes.
Ooh, it's hot.
Woo!
gonna go get some Panera bread because I'm not like.
Even though it's 100 degrees, we want hot soup.
Well, I really want mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, the mac and cheese always smacks, and that little piece of bread they give you, dude. Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, I'm not like too hungry, but I know once I start eating, I'm like gonna want to eat.
Yeah.
We didn't eat breakfast. No, we woke up and then we just went to Starbucks and we left.
Yeah, I said I was gonna make breakfast, but I didn't.
Said he was gonna make breakfast, but he didn't.
Is this
Hard to eat mukbanger when there's so many people around just watching us with a big camera. But we have a lot of food. I got the boxes. Ooh, wait. I don't know, me without my lip gloss.
Look at that fucking wire.
Stop!
Who really just has a wire on their wall? Let's speed it up.
Speed it up. Speed it up. You better stop. Work. Drop. Lean. How does I do that?
We'll speed it
I
up.
just left the bean and I can't be seen. TikTok. Look at what my grandma bought me.
Age, defy, dark circles.
She didn't say a word. Just bought the product. Age defy dark
nice
circles.
wire.
Stop talking about my wire. I can't dance. That's my duties. So, it's been a couple of days. We're about 3 days. Yeah, we move in 3 days. We still have so much to pack. It's ridiculous. We didn't even start. I'm gonna start off by doing my makeup collection. I have like drawers filled. Like, these are packed. These are packed. I'm gonna be doing a full updated makeup collection storage video. And I wanna do that in my new apartment. So it's like new vibes. But I don't know what to do with the makeup that I'm like tossing out. A lot of these are used and I don't know which ones are old and which ones aren't. So I don't know. I don't really, how do I put that in words? I feel guilty like just tossing it. I'm gonna figure out what I need to do with it because I really don't know at this point.
Right.
Leave a comment below. Tell me what I should do. All right, so here is the before. Also, don't judge me because Maya came for 2 whole months and we both messed up my entire room. So like I just got lazy and I just shoved everything in drawers. Like it's still messy right now. And I separated like my everyday makeup because we're technically gonna be on the move. I needed my little travel bag for all the stuff that I need every day that I'm not gonna pack. And yes, so let's get a pack in. Okay, we got this tape dispenser thing. This looks really high tech. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like figure this out. I will. I just have dumb bitch moments sometimes. Ah! Exhibit A. Even though there's literally instructions right here, I'm not gonna read it. Who reads instructions? Okay, I can't figure this out because this, it says it's supposed to be upwards like this, but how is it supposed to cut? that doesn't make any sense. So I'm gonna have my boyfriend do this. Sorry, I wanted to be an independent woman for you today, but like that's just not happening. So I'm back, and I was right. I did it correctly. It's just I didn't know that this thing pushes out like this, pushes down, and so you guys probably don't care at all. I'm scared. I feel like this isn't gonna be stable. Guest bed makeup. Alright guys, I filled up these 2 boxes. You guys are probably wondering why the heck I don't have any bubble wrap or anything in here. We're gonna be moving all of these ourselves, so like I know what's in here. So I know not to like drop these accidentally, and I wrote fragile on it too. So also, why waste plastic? So this is it for our first moving out video. We have so much more to do, but yeah, I love you guys so freaking much. I'm so happy and excited, and you guys get to come with me. Deuces.